Check 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, oh yeah, they move.
Is that real?
Yeah, it moves. Yeah, it's a lowrider. It's a video game that moves. So yeah.
That was a little scary. I heard the sound.
Yeah. So we have a full interactive experience here. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Marian Rudela. I'm one of the technical directors on this project at Meta Labs. We're working on this project with a production company called Deanne. They're based out of New York. And yeah, so we just want to show you this almost 3-month pop-up we have here on 8600 Melrose in West Hollywood. So the concept is Meta teamed up with Ray-Ban to release their new glasses. They're basically glasses with cameras on them. They have a light on there. They have a microphone and speaker, so they're interactive glasses / smart glasses. They're done really well. They work really well. The speakers sound pretty good. The mic picks up everything. The video is phenomenal. The video and photos on the glasses is terrific.
Yeah, I saw some samples of nighttime video at a concert. Incredible.
Yeah.
Daytime video, really good. The sound is actually surprisingly really good for just such a small little glasses. It's incredible.
So just want to talk about the space. So we have a lot going on here. We have full audio, video, lighting, interactive LED walls. There's a custom video game Dion built too. And then my personal scope was IT, security, fire, power, air conditioning. I oversaw bits and pieces of audio, video, lighting. A really well done pop-up for those of you that are into design, event design, experiential events. This is done really well. I mean, there's really no complaints. If you look at it, it's super high-end, super techy, and it just all came together. And I got on this project end of July to do what we did. It's September. For what we did in 3 months is incredible.
Yeah.
The main construction really didn't kick off till mid-August, and then we had like big pushes in September, big pushes in October. So to have hundreds of tradesmen and technicians here, have multiple companies. There's so many amazing companies that were on this. It's just incredible to see it all come together and everyone work cohesively. Just really beautiful project.
This is incredible. It's almost like an art gallery or a museum. It's just like so meticulous. Everything's like perfectly placed and set. And you walk in here, the security guard is nice. The people who work here are very friendly. They're helpful. They ask if you need any help, and they're very informative. They know a lot about the product. So it's a great experience when you come over here. I know Black Friday is coming up, so it's probably going to get really busy. So if people want to get glasses, they should probably get here before Black Friday or one of those things.
Well, you know what? They have a sale for Black Friday. They're expecting record sales this week. And, for sure it's the biggest selling week in America for sales, so you should come out if you guys want. They have great deals. They have 20% off, which is great.
Yeah.
You don't normally get that on designer sunglasses. Yeah, so I think people should come out and purchase some more glasses. Yeah.
So if people love art and they love photography and video and they want to get some behind the scenes with those glasses, and that's a perfect opportunity. And also I hear they have some AI built in, Meta Llama.
Yeah, so all I could speak about the AI is you could talk to the glasses. You could ask Meta, hey Meta, take a photo. Hey Meta, take a video. Example, there's a paragraph over here. You could ask Meta, hey Meta, read this paragraph and summarize it for me. And they'll summarize the paragraph in a sentence. It'll translate for you. So it's really cool. I've used them. Obviously, like anything on innovative technology, there is a learning curve to it, but it's super easy, super friendly user interface.
Yeah.
There's a free app. I mean,
Awesome.
I think definitely what you can do, for example, as a technician, I plan on wearing them to take photos and videos of job sites. There's a button on there, which I love. That way you don't have to always communicate with Meta. I think that's great. I would love to do that because I'm always going to need to take a quick photo of whatever, wiring diagrams, what have you. So I think that's how I plan on integrating them.
How does it work? Does it work like online? So if someone's a world traveler and they're going, to a different country where they don't understand the language and they can't understand like which exit they need to take if they're driving or where they need to go for a bus stop, would that help as well to kind of translate the language?
Absolutely. I know it does full translation, but I don't know if I haven't tried, example, like a Google Maps feature on it. Oh, make a left, make a right. That I don't know, but translation I was told was on point. So it's definitely summarization's on point because there's a long paragraph here, and in one sentence it told me what it said. So yeah, so I mean it works. I know it works.
Nice.
So yeah. So,
That's beautiful.
and then right now it's a lowrider theme to celebrate LA Latino and Chicano culture. I was told the theme may flip in December. I only know so much, but if it does, hey, I would love to have Carlo again, have some more friends come out.
Awesome.
I think it's really cool, and again, you could expect the same aesthetic and the level of detail during the theme flip. Perfect. Absolutely.
Well, you guys did a great job over here.
Thank you.
Everything looks extremely nice, and thanks for sharing this with the community. The community really respects this.
Thank you, Carlo. Appreciate it, buddy. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you.